Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do general reading for Pisces water sign for the remaining month of August. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see Pisces, what's the messages for you for the remaining month of August. Pisces water sign. Six of Cups. Wow. King of Cups. Lot of water energy. You or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Knight of Swords. I think you feel some strong connection with your person. You feel very attached to that person, very strong soulmate or past life connection with each other. You have strong emotions for that person, King of Cups. You want to express your love towards your person and you want to rush towards your person. You want to communicate with your person, Knight of Swords. So let's see what's the messages for you. What's going on your connection. Six of Pentacles, Eight of Cups, Queen of Pentacles. I am seeing here two stories. I think there is no equal give and take in this connection. I think your person maybe invest more on this connection, but you are not giving equal give and take in this connection. Then your person is walked away. Your person is very honest and very sharing and caring. But another story is you put more effect in this connection and your person is not giving equal give and take and then you walked away. This could be vice versa depending upon energies and your situation. So I think one person in this connection is very invested and other connection is not as much as the other person. That's why one person is walked away. Lot of water energy is here. Yeah, Ten of Swords. Some cycles are getting ended between both of you. Two of Swords. You or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Lot of air energy is also here. Three of Pentacles. Lot of earth energy, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. You or your person could be. I think you are at some crossroads. Pisces or your person could be at some crossroads. You both have to work on this relationship to take this relationship to next level. Because Three of Pentacles is working together. I think you or your person could be at some crossroads making decision. Some cycles are going to be end between both of you. The Sun, wow. Yeah, when you both work together on this relationship, definitely it will give positive result. Wow, Ace of Swords, communication. Yes, you both will communicate, truth coming out and communication. Wow, the Lovers, Gemini. You or your person could be Gemini. Yes, there is love between both of you still. The Lovers card is here. And Ace of Swords, new beginnings, truth coming out, communication. And the Sun. Yes, you both will reunite. Definitely, because when you both decide to work on this relationship, definitely there will be a positive growth. So let's pull your person's actions towards you, their energy. Eight of Wands. Wow, communication. There is fast movement between both of you. I think communication, you both will communicate if there is no contact between both of you. Seven of Cups. I think your person could be fantasizing about you a lot or you could be fantasizing about them a lot. King of Pentacles. Yes, they also want this connection. They also want long-term commitment with you. Chariot. Yes, they want to also take things to next level. Chariot is movement, taking things to next level. And under the deck, Justice. Most of this reading is similar to Sagittarius reading. So if you want to watch Sagittarius reading, please do watch, because both have so much similarities between both readings. Justice. Yes, Libra. You or your person could be wanting second chance. Yes, you both want this connection. Your person also want this connection. Communication. Yes, Page of Pentacles, communication. Nine of Cups, wish fulfillment. Definitely your person also want to take this relationship to next level. You also want to take this relationship to next level. So when you both will start communicating, definitely this, after you both expressing your feelings to each other, then this relationship is going to be definitely next level. So please initiate contact. If your person is not contacting you first you have to initiate contact towards your person, then automatically the situation will become better. So this is the reading for you, Pisces. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.